Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. Now what do you do if your interior door becomes locked from the inside? So several different types of locks. This is just your standard interior door, and you see it's got a little hole right there. So what I use are these, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the ones like I use. But basically what I do is take this one, stick it in the hole, and then you'll feel like it feels like the top of a flathead screw. You turn it, and bam, the door's unlocked. So every interior door is different, but utilizing tools like this and this technique might allow you to unlock most interior doors. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please subscribe, ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the tool like I used. Y'all have a good one.